What's up there? Hey everybody, welcome back to this week's vlog. So here's the situation right now. It's 100 degrees in the bus. You can see my so the reason it's 100 degrees in the bus right now is because my generator last night ran out. Well, I thought it just ran out of gas and it shut itself off before I got home. Then I checked it this morning and it was actually low on oil, even though I didn't notice the light on when I checked it yesterday afternoon. So I don't know. So anyway, I put new oil in it, filled that back up, and now it won't start. So, I believe what I need to do is disconnect the oil sensor, like temporarily, because it has an automatic cutoff when it gets low. So, I have to figure out where that oil sensor is on the generator so that I can disconnect it. Hopefully it will start right up, and then I can connect it right back. It's too hot for this shit. Hey, so, it's too hot for my hat, and also eyebrows. So I will look like an alien today. That's fine. So I couldn't find any information on where the sensor is located for my exact model. The ones that I did find said it's typically a yellow wire that's coming out somewhere near the oil fill station. You know, let's just go take a look at it and see what we can figure out. Burritos. Here we go. Oil fill be behind this. So it looks like I'm gonna get some tools, take this off, and then see if I can't find that yellow wire so I can disconnect that sensor. So I got one of these out from right here. I couldn't find my socket set, so I had to use a pair of pliers. I was able to loosen this. This one was a little bit harder to get to, but luckily I was able to loosen it enough that I can get it the rest of the way with my hand. There we go. Sweet. Alright. Oh god. There is a yellow cord. Ah, that is the one. This is it right here. Can you see? Okay. Whoop. Focus on that. Yeah, this is the one right here. So now I just need to follow that yellow cord through this mess here. Okay, so this right here is the one I'm looking for right here. Oh, so I should be able to disconnect this. I hope this works. Try to hold that steady. Oh, there we go. I got it. Okay. Alright, so now in theory, I should be able to start this up, run it for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, something like that, and then plug it back in. Let's try it. Let's try it. Oh, come on, come on. Come on, baby. Start for me. So close. Let me move around here a little bit more. Okay, we're gonna try. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. air conditioner just started up. We're gonna start this swamp cooler up. Yeah, I'm setting my timer for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna go plug that sensor back in. I will take you with me, and yeah, hopefully it's gonna start cooling off in here pretty soon. So I am stoked. Hi, Star. He's a cutie. Should start cooling off in here soon, okay? Rogue. How's my Rogie? How you doing, baby? Excited to have some cool air? Yes. Come here, baby. These are flipping. Holy shit. One more to go. I guess I could have been recording with this light on so you could have actually seen what I was doing, but I didn't. Whoops, it's dark. Anyway, the batteries are in and hooked up. I'm going to close this up and probably just relax a little bit because it feels really nice outside. So I'll catch up in a bit. And I'm going to show you my view. Hello, good morning. The last time I started the bus up, I would start it once a day, and I did that for about 3 to 4 days, and then the bus wouldn't start anymore. So I went and got new batteries for the bus, and I am hoping that it was just those batteries were old and need to be replaced, because if not, there's a possibility it could be like an alternator, and I'm really hoping it's not an alternator. So this is the first time I've started the bus in a while. I put those new batteries in, so cross your fingers with me that it's going to start, and then I'm going to try it for another every day for the next 3 or 4 days. If it keeps starting, then I'm going to do it again for a couple more days, and if so, then I'm going to be pretty content with it. It was just the batteries. So it's the moment of truth. Just because I haven't started. I'm always nervous when I haven't started it in a long time. But it's got new batteries, so it should at least start today, regardless if it's the alternator or not. But I'm always nervous every time. Alright, let's check it out. That's the car key. No problem. Started right up. Alright, we're going to let it run for a few hours today and make sure everything looks good. And then, yeah, we're going to do it again tomorrow after today. So glad it started. Alright, we've been running it for about 3 hours. I've already had another wardrobe change. But, yes, everything looks good. Seems to be running smoothly, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it off for the day. And I'm going to watch episode 6 of Loki, because it just came out, and I'm pumped. So, I'm going to watch that, maybe eat some lunch, and I'm going to draw up a tattoo for tomorrow. So that's what I'm getting into tonight. I'll catch up with you later. So like every other morning, I only have 2 5-gallon things for the gas. Words are hard, it's early. Anyway, so yeah, I just walked the girls, got them back in the bus, and now I'm headed to get some gasoline for the generator. And I have an appointment today, so I gotta get that, go back, fill up the generator, start the air conditioner, give the girls their treats, take a shower, and then head to work. So, yeah, I'll catch up with you here in a bit. Oh, hello, babies. Oh, my girls. Is it Mama's coming in, okay? It's good in. Make room for Mama. Back up. Make room for Mama. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Oh, little star, are you so excited? Are you so excited? You're so excited. Oh, my goodness. Time to head to the tattoo shop to do some small ones today. Ba-de-boo. What do I always do? I'm back from doing the tattoo, and it's day 2 of starting the bus to make sure it's gonna still run, and hopefully not the alternator. So let's check it out. Where are my keys? I don't have my keys. I don't have my keys. Just a second. Okay, we're gonna start the. Don't knock my stuff over, please. Thank you. Hello. Hello. Yes. I love you too. I'm gonna start the bus, okay? Don't knock over my stand. Can you sit down? Can you be a good girl and sit down? Huh? Yes, I love you. I'm gonna start the bus, okay? Hop down for me. Hop down. Good girl. Alright, Mama's gonna start the bus. We're not going anywhere. We're not going anywhere. They're getting in their spot by the door because they think we're going somewhere. We're not going anywhere right now. Yes! We're good. Alright. So day 2, good. I'm going to let it run for a couple hours again. But so far so good. Started pretty easy. There might have been a little bit of hesitation, but not too bad. Yeah. Alright, I'll catch up with you later. Alright, so the fluids look pretty decent, which I'm stoked about. I'm getting ready to turn it off for tonight. Tomorrow, once the engine is cool, I'm going to go ahead and check all the fluids on that and make sure it's good. So I'll probably do that after I give the girls a walk. I am starting a project tomorrow. Air brakes. It's the air brakes, it's fine. Maybe I'll go look at that real quick. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. I just paused you, so you didn't have to wait for me. Anyway, yeah, I'm starting a project tomorrow. It's going to be a small project. I should be able to get it done, like, in a couple hours at the most, in theory. Even though, I don't like to guess how long something's going to take, but it's a very small project. It shouldn't be too bad. But I do have to get a few things at the Home Depot. So, yeah, that's it for tonight. I'm just going to go through emails and stuff, text messages, and make sure I'm caught up with all my tattoo clients and any questions and everything anybody may have. And then I'm probably going to hit the bed. I'm probably going to do a TikTok. Then I'll hit the bed. But I will catch up with you in the morning for some just good times. Great oldies. I don't know what I'm... Anyway, I'll see you in the morning. Alright, so unfortunately, I realized that my new project that I'm just starting is going to have to be on the next video because after editing all the previous, not even projects, I did just, vlogging week, after editing all of that, it's already going to be long, so I'm already gonna have to crop and edit that a lot. So, and it's already like the end of the week, so I've got to finish editing the video, which means this is the end of this week's vlog. Thanks so much for watching. I will actually be working on a project in next week's vlog, so yes, something to look forward to. I will actually be doing some work on the bus, besides just putting in batteries and stuff, so we get a little artsy. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thanks to all my patrons, to all my followers, anybody that enjoys any of my content on any of my platforms. I appreciate all of you. I will have links in the description for my website that has merch on it if you'd like to support me, my Patreon link, and my Linktree, which has all the other social medias on it. So feel free to click on any of those if you'd like to support me in any other way or check out more content. I'm going to see you next time. Have a great week.